So good day everyone. So today I will be presenting a comparative analysis of 3 digital learning language tools. So evaluating their effectiveness and recommending the best for a specific type of learner. So the goal of this presentation is to determine which digital tools is more suitable for beginner English, for the beginner language learners. So who wants to improve their conversational skills, or what we call their specific field, especially in their class. So the tool I evaluated are the Duolingo. Number 1 is the Duolingo. Number 2 is the BBC Learning English and the Pimsleur. So each of these tools offers a different approaches to learning English. Since the target of my target is that to learn about the English language. And of course, don't worry, since I will be showing to you the paunsa siya gamiton ang mga digital tools nga akong gipili that suit para sa mga English beginners. So I have here a Duolingo. So Duolingo is is a gamified language learning app that helps learners build vocabulary and also does to build sentence structure. So very helpful because there's a lot of feedback na nagamit sila og Duolingo, and it's very interactive game. Since malingaw jud sila, it's because nalingaw na sila, maka-learn pa sila at the same time. So the strength of this is using engaging bite-sized lesson, and of course has an innovative and visually appealing interface and provides immediate feedback. So mo-provide din siya immediate feedback ani nga digital tools nga used for English beginners. So Duolingo, we have the Duolingo. So don't worry, since I will be showing to you kung paunsa siya gamiton. Yes. So na siya mga weaknesses pod no kaning Duolingo, since dili pud ta ng apps, is magamit jud siya nga walay mga hindrance. So na jud siya ng mga what we call the barriers. So weaknesses ani kay lacks deep grammar explanation. But kuan siya kanang encourage daily practice through gamification. Kaya bang ma-practice jud pud kay even though lack of deep grammar explanation. So there's a lot man gud og apps nga need siya og bayad. So limited real world conversational practice ra gud siya. And that is the Duolingo. So I also choose the BBC Learning Language. So it provides structured lesson through videos, podcasts, and articles featuring real world English. Kay kani man gid siya, it really uses authentic English, and it offers a high quality materials, and there's a lot of topic here including pronunciation and grammar. So weaknesses ani niya kay require self motivation since there's no gamification. So less interactive ni siya than sa Duolingo, kay it's because kani magud nga app you really need to understand by your own. So dapat na kay self motivation, and if you really wanted to learn, so this app will help you. Kay if your heart really wanted to learn that specific language, so maningkamot jud kag basa atong mga specific topic niya. So mo na siya ang BBC Learning English. So the last one is the Pimsleur. So Pimsleur is an audio based language learning. So it focuses on conversational fluency. So uses scientifically backspace repetition or the techniques. It also helps improve pronunciation and of course speaking confidence. So ang weakness pa niya is lacks of visual and written learning components and requires a paid subscription. So namang mga bayad ang uban nga apps, diba? So mo to siya. Dayon, I will be explaining what among those three, what is the best, or what is the best tool that really target our learners, especially sa ilahang English learning. So for me, it's the Duolingo since game man gud siya, and makita na to sa mga bata ron is mas makuha ilahang attention if isa siya kadula. So and of course it is it is most accessible and cost effective option. So so the gamified format keeps learners engaged, so the structured progression helps beginners build their vocabulary and their sentence patterns. So now let's proceed. That's all. So if I'm the one who gonna choose, so it's the Duolingo. So now I will be presenting to you the Duolingo. So here is the Duolingo. So you can download it in your phone or what. So you can download it by free, and of course, so here it is. So you're gonna get it started. So hi, I'm Duolingo. So to make the story short, since I already gigamit na nako siya ganina, so you can choose the language you wanted to learn in this. So since English man natong napili, let's pick the English. Alright, so let's have the English here. So let's continue. Cancel. Alright, so sorry. Let's have the more, since there's a lot of specific language that you wanted to learn in this. Oh my god. Alright, so here it is. Sorry guys for the inconvenience. So here is the Duolingo. So it's very interactive guys, since it is gaming man gani siya. Gamified siya na app. So coffee, we have here the kape. You will choose if it is welcome, please, or coffee. So I choose coffee, so you're going to continue. And yes, it is correct. So that is the Duolingo, and it's very interactive game. And at the same time, the beginner of this language learning is they just have to pick which is the correct answer. So that is the Duolingo. Now let's proceed to the BBC language learning. So there's a lot of articles here. Sorry for the lightning. So there's a lot of articles, and then at the end of these articles, of course you will comprehend this, and you will really you really need to understand. What I mean is you really need to understand, since after that you will take the exam if you really understand the lesson. So that is the BBC English language learning. So medyo boring siya gamay. It's because need kag self-motivation, as what I've said earlier. So that's all. So here is the Pimsleur. So I've choose the English for German speakers, since wala siya yung mga English for kuan. So only for German, for Korean. So you will choose the lesson 1, and then you're going to kuan magudi siya audio based. So which means audio based is paminaw na nimo siya.
I understand a little English.
Are you German?
Yes, Miss. In den nächsten paar Minuten werden Sie lernen, dieses Gespräch nicht nur zu verstehen,
so that
sondern selbst...
is how you learn this Pimsleur app. So you will learn through audio based lang siya. So I think that's all the 3 digital tools for learning I've choose. Is number 1 is again the Duolingo, and number 2 the BBC language learning, and the 3 the Pimsleur. So if I were going to choose, so that is a Duolingo, since it is interactive. And to conclude, digital language learning tools vary in their approach, while BBC Learning English and Pimsleur have strong aspects siya. And Duolingo is the best choice for beginner English learner. So, looking for an engaging and structured way to build a conversational skill since it is a gamified app. So, thank you for listening, and I'd be happy to answer all your questions. Bye.